In today's video, we're going to do a burn-in and a season of the OzPig. Hey folks, Ben from Smoke and Hot Confessions here. I hope you're well wherever you are and you got that thin blue smoke rolling. In today's video, we're going to do a test burn in the OzPig. We're going to run it through the burn-in process. We're going to season it up, and we're also going to take care of the warming plates and grill plates. There's a process to go through with that. Now, to do this is really simple. We're going to kick off by giving it a light spray with canola oil across all surfaces. We're going to start with a really small fire, and we're going to slowly build that fire up, and it gets hotter and hotter and hotter, and seasons that canola oil onto the outer surfaces of the OzPig. When it comes to the warming plates and the barbecue plates, they come from the factory with a layer of wax across the top. And what we're going to do is we're just going to gently warm them a bit until the wax softens and then scrape it off with a barbecue scraper. Easy peasy, let's get into it. So there you are folks, the first burn on the OzPig. It's all seasoned up, it's ready to go. I'm going to go find something to cook, and until next time, take care of each other, keep on queuing.